What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to connect WalletConnect to Web3 apps. For this we'll be using Uniswap, so head over to app.uniswap.org and once you're here and you're logged in, you'll be having this connect button at the top right corner. Click on it and then of course you can see some wallets you can connect to. You have Phantom, Trust Wallet, MetaMask and Uniswap Mobile. Of course, if you have Phantom Wallet, you may not necessarily need the WalletConnect to connect to your Phantom, so you can click on Phantom and make the authorization to connect to your Phantom wallet. But if you must use WalletConnect, you can simply come over to other wallets if they're not listed here, and then go ahead and click on WalletConnect. Once you select this, it will show you a QR code, and at this point, you'll need to scan that QR code with your mobile device. After opening your app, with the WalletConnect option, it will create a QR code which you can scan with your mobile device in order to carry out the connection with other wallets. By doing this, you will successfully use WalletConnect to connect to Web3 apps.